What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to Parts Reviews on the East to West, West to East channel. I'm Ryan, as you know, and today we are going to talk a little bit more about armor. Last time we did a discussion about the installing the Stage 2 kit on the front bumper. That went awesome. We got it done. It looks great. Can't wait to get it on. That's from Southern Style Off-Road. We had discussed that we were going to do the roof rack this week, but some things came up and that kind of got pushed to the side. So instead of doing that, we are going to do a discussion today about sliders. I ended up going out and getting some solid sliders from WarFab. Ready? WarFab is this awesome company that is out of Colorado. They do an incredible job. I also got their cab mount cut plates is what I put on my 2017. They cut them to size. They showed up super easy to weld in. Made the job 10 times easier because they were pre-sized. This particular rock slider setup is DOM, or drawn over mandrel. They also have HREW, or hot rolled. These in particular are set at 20 degrees and they are full bolt-ins. So this is going to line right up on the frame. It's going to bolt in and it's going to be set at a 20-degree pitch from the 90-degree attachment on the frame. So they're going to look really good. They're going to give a great protection to the rocker panel. I personally went with the option that does have the kick out too. So right at the base of the bed of the truck, there will be a slight kick out on the actual slider itself. And then as you go up to the front, there's a curve in that goes right underneath the passenger or driver's side door. And it does have a tie-in point, which I believe actually goes into, incorporates with the cab mount itself. That is something that I'm pretty interested to figure out. So I can't wait to get these on the truck. They look awesome. The quality is unreal. They came unprepped. They came as raw steel. I went ahead and just bought some Rust-Oleum, metal primer, and black paint, and I went ahead and prepped them, primed them, painted them, and then I'm going to actually go over them with some bed liner, so that way they get a little bit more of a textured feel, clean look, and I think that they're going to do a great job. I'm pretty stoked to get them on the truck. So kind of a quick review this week. We have this is the passenger side on the table right now. The driver's side is down to the side of the table. And yeah. As we discussed, I had to run upstairs real quick and go get the sample. But from Metro Restyling, we got a 3" by 5" sample of the color that we're going to go with for the Tacoma. I had a lot of back and forth deciding what I wanted to go for a color because the truck is currently red. The red looks great. I've had it forever. It's awesome. But I decided I really just wanted to change it up and have something really unique. So I was looking in the blue spectrum and I found a color that they offer through 3M that is called Indigo Matte. So it is like almost a denim blue, and that's what we're gonna go with on the truck. So stay tuned for the vinyl install. It'll probably be in a few weeks because we're actually getting a garage finally. We're gonna be moving out of the basement that we're currently working out of. So we will have covered places to actually start doing installs. And the videos should continue to get better. So stay tuned, stay with us. We really appreciate the support. Thank you, and remember to like, comment, subscribe, and let us know what you think. All right, thanks.